Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at setting your language for TruCUT RDWorks. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini-series on tips and tricks, where we'll be covering a few different topics and some handy information about it. I will also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now, when it comes to the language settings, if your program by default comes with English, you'll probably think it's not that important. But if you are a different language user, it is definitely good to understand where to locate it. And if for some reason your program is not English, this can be quite tricky. So you kind of have to remember which item within which menu sets the language. Otherwise, it's going to be quite confusing. So let me just demonstrate. So now if I had to go here to the last menu, which is help, go to the last one again, which is language. Now, if I just set this to something like Japanese, and let's say this is the first time in the program, or you've never set your language before, yeah, I just want to say good luck finding it. And this, most of these things, yeah, it's kind of ununderstandable for the average human being. And I won't mention anything about aliens. So otherwise, if we remember, last item on the main menu, last item in the last main menu. And then over here, luckily these words stay English for us. So then we can go English and then we've got our menus back. But yeah, otherwise that is it on setting your language. Like I said, you might not think of that useful, but once your program's set in the wrong language, it's quite useful knowing at least where to locate it. And English might not be your first tongue. So maybe French and you prefer your program in that, even though you understand English. That is also a possibility. Well, that concludes the video. If we had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And also you can isolate your search on the top right. Simply click here, type what you're looking for, and hit the little magnifying glass button. And if for some reason you don't find the training videos you're looking for, just under that we've got this request the training video. Just fill in the mini form, make sure you let us know which software it's for, and then we will do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.